Hi there, thank you for stopping by. If today is your first time coming across this channel, please don't make it your last. Hit the subscribe button and join our family where we bring you the simplest homemade recipe. Still on our Ramadan series, today we bring you the easiest Pinkaso recipe. If you think this video is going to be helpful to you, stay tuned and let's get right into the video. We'll be using the following ingredients for today's recipe. Green habanero pepper, you can use any pepper of your choice. Medium-sized onion, spring onion. I decided to separate the white part from the green part so I can be using some for garnishing. Half a teaspoon of baking powder. Half a teaspoon of salt. 1.5 cup of flour, 1 cup of water, 1 tablespoon of yeast, we'll be blending our onion and pepper with half a cup of water. We will be mixing our dry ingredients now. Mind you, our flour has been strained already to get rid of any lumps, and then we'll be adding our yeast and baking powder. We'll be mixing it up before we add the salt, because when salt is in direct contact with yeast, it kills its activation. We used instant yeast in this recipe. Now we are adding our salt. All ingredients used in this recipe will be in the description box, so please check it out for the right measurements for each of the ingredients. Moving on, we are adding our blended onion and then our pepper. We'll be adding it to our dry ingredients and then mix it up. So we use half of our water to blend the pepper and onion. So we just added the rest. We are adding our spring onions now. We'll stir it up and leave it to cook for about 1 to 2 hours.
One hour later.
Nicely after an hour, so we are going to be frying our Pinkaso now. Frying it on a low heat would absorb oil. frying it on a high heat would burn it. So the perfect way to fry it is to fry it on a medium heat. And also the skill here is to make a hole with your thumb before dropping it in the oil. If your hand is too sticky while scooping, you dip your hand in water to make it easier. Look at all this yummy goodness. If you didn't know, Pinkaso is a savory dish, so we sprinkle some sugar on top to make it sweet. I'm adding some spring onions for garnishing. If you watch this video to this point and you haven't subscribed yet, my sister, my brother, what are you waiting for? Please subscribe. Tell your friends and family to subscribe. Until I come back your way, thank you for watching and stay blessed.